Welcome to FamGuru. Today we're going to have a look at how one creates an itinerary in FamGuru using an itinerary that you already have. This could be a PDF, this could be a Word document, this could be in a spreadsheet. All you have to do is put it into PDF and we can automatically import it using our AI itinerary creation tool in FamGuru. So from the homepage of FamGuru, web.famguru.app, all you'll do is create trip to start. We'll choose a hero image for this. You can obviously upload your own over here. Then upload your document in PDF here. So here's our summer FAM itinerary. This is a simple one, fortunately. And we'll open it. So what it's doing right now is it's reading the document and it's scanning for the details of the trip. And it will bring in a name as well as some initial text for us. So we have the Privado Summer FAM itinerary. Select your organization. You can have multiple organizations within FamGuru. I'll just choose FamGuru here. Check that your dates are correct. Yes, this is what I expect. We won't fill in any trip invitation text at this moment. You can do that for your travelers that you're inviting into FamGuru to this trip. However, we have the trip description. The AI has read the document and it's created a description for us here, which looks absolutely accurate. So from here, we'll go to the second step and we'll create the itinerary. This is actually what we call the extraction step. And it's taking the information it took from the document and it's putting it into a preliminary itinerary. Right here, we can quality control anything that the AI has done. If we feel like it's done something incorrect, we can certainly drag and drop if we need to. And if we want to edit something, there is one thing I'd like to edit. We have a site inspection here of the property. I'd like to change that to an official site inspection format. It's come in as an other booking right now, but we'd like to make it a site inspection. It gives us a little bit more structure to the actual inspection. And that has changed it now to a site inspection. So you can edit anything about this, double check that it all looks good. And once you're ready, you'll follow through to the final step, which is creating the itinerary from the extraction step. This can also take just a moment, but again, it's a simple itinerary. This will make our trip to begin with. Here's our hero image. If we need to make any edits, we can do so here. What we'll do now is we'll go over to the itinerary and take a look at what it has done. Now it's brought it into itinerary format. So we didn't have to go through and create each one of these elements in our itinerary. The AI has done that for us. Now, sometimes the AI can put things out of order. In this case, it did. So we're going to drag and drop the actual hotel that we're staying into up here. Let's just put that up there at the proper time. And then you can go in after this and add or change anything about the itinerary that you'd like, add photos or send it off to your participants. So that's just a little bit about the AI. As you can see, it's very simple and it brings it all into FamGuru in a neat and orderly fashion, saving you about 80% of the time and maybe even a little bit more than it would be if you create it manually. Thanks so much. Let us know if you have any questions. Drop us a line at info@famguru.app.